Welcome to Yummee Yummee. Simply scrumptious, one mix, endless possibilities. For more gluten-free recipes, please visit yummyyummee.com. Here's another quick and easy meal idea for you. Nachos are comfort food. Evenly spread gluten-free corn tortilla chips on a microwave-safe plate. Top with prepared refried beans, chives, bacon bits, and shredded Colby Jack cheese. These are your nachos. Add as much or as little cheese as you like. Cook your nachos for 1 to 2 minutes or until cheese is melted. Remove the nachos from the microwave and top with warmed salsa, chopped tomato, and sour cream. Other topping options include green onions, green peppers, Southwest chicken, a Mexican cheese blend, cheese sauce, or whatever Tex-Mex foods you like. Easy, right? Dreamy Dog reminds you to stop dreaming, start eating.